Have you ever felt lost in the endless scroll of social media? You're not alone. In fact, billions of people are hooked. But what if I told you that the platforms we use every day are built to control how we think, feel, and live? In this video, we're diving into 5 shocking but true facts about social media that most people don't know. And by the end, you'll never look at your phone the same way again. Let's begin. Fact 1. Social media is designed to be addictive. This isn't an accident. Social media apps are designed like slot machines. Every scroll, every like, every notification, they're all engineered to release dopamine in your brain, the same chemical that gamblers feel in a casino. Tech companies hire behavioral scientists to study your brain. They want to keep you hooked. The longer you stay, the more ads they show, and the more money they make. You might think you're just checking your phone. But the truth is, your brain is being trained over and over to crave likes, comments, and the endless scroll. Fact 2. It's killing your attention span. Remember when you could watch a full movie without touching your phone? Now, even 30-second videos feel too long. Why? Because social media is rewiring your brain. Your focus has become fragmented, jumping from one thing to another, constantly looking for the next hit of stimulation. Studies show that heavy social media users struggle to focus on deep tasks, real conversations, and even books. It's not your fault, but it is happening. And the worst part? This short attention span is bleeding into every part of life: school, work, relationships. Fact 3. It's changing your reality without you knowing. What you see online shapes what you believe, even if it's not real. Social media platforms use algorithms that show you content you already agree with, creating an echo chamber. You see the same type of posts, same opinions, same messages, until you believe that's all that exists. Over time, this creates digital blindness. You stop questioning, stop exploring, and start living in a bubble. This is how misinformation spreads. This is how hate spreads. And we don't even notice because it's all happening behind the screen. Fact 4. Your privacy is the product. We've all heard the phrase, if something is free, you are the product. But do you realize how true that really is? Every second you spend online, your data is being tracked. What you like, where you scroll, who you talk to, what you pause on. This data is sold, analyzed, and used to manipulate your choices, from the ads you see to the emotions you feel. You're not just a user. You're a goldmine of information. And tech companies are getting rich by selling you without ever asking for permission. Fact 5. It's replacing real-life connections. We've never been more connected, yet more lonely. Strange, isn't it? We spend hours interacting with strangers online, but we don't talk to the people sitting right next to us. We chase likes instead of love, stories instead of conversations, filters instead of feelings. Social media has created a world where appearance matters more than reality. And behind every smiling selfie, there could be pain, anxiety, or emptiness. We're losing the beauty of eye contact, human touch, and silent moments. Social media isn't evil, but it's powerful, more powerful than we realize. The question is, will you let it control you? Or will you take back control? It starts with awareness. And awareness starts with videos like this. If this opened your eyes, share it. You might just wake someone else up too. This is Duniya Reality, bringing you the truth. One video at a time.